Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss very short answer questions in Maths 2B. So in that first we are taking about circles chapter. Okay, right. In that one, first question number 1. Question number 1 is find the center and radius of the circle. Find the center and radius of the circle x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 is equal to 0. This is our question. So here for this question we have a formula in circles, that is their general formula. So equation of a circle, this is the formula, equation of a circle in general form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here compare x square plus y square is same. So here 2g value is 6, 2f value is 8, c value is minus 96. So that one here I am writing. By comparison we are getting 2g is equal to 6 and g is equals to 3 and 2f is equals to 8 and f is equals to 4. C is equal to minus 96. So in general center is equals to minus g comma minus f, that is equals to minus 3 comma minus 4, and radius r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c, that is equal to g square, g value is 3, g square is 9 plus f value is 4, f square is 16, c value minus 96, minus over minus plus 96. So here 6 plus 9 16, here 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 10 25, 25 plus 96, that is 121. That is what? 121. This is the perfect square of 11. So here center is given by minus 3 comma minus 4, we calculated for this given circle equation, and radius is 11. This is the answer for this question. Okay, now go for a second question. Question number 2. Same thing here. Find center and radius of the circle find the center and radius of the circle root over 1 plus m square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy is equal to 0. Here c value greater than 0. This is the question. So here same in the above we did one formula, or we have taken one formula, general formula. So here in the general equation of the circle we need to see the coefficient of x square and y square should be 1. But here root over 1 plus m square is there. So for this we need to divide entire thing with root over 1 plus m square. First I am writing the given question as it is without changing. So root over 1 plus m square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy is equal to 0. Now divided by root over 1 plus m square on both sides. We get, so this thing is divided, so this by this will become 1. So direct I am writing here x square plus y square minus 2c by root over 1 plus m square into x minus 2mc by root over 1 plus m square into y is equals to 0. So here this I am taking like this. So our equation of the circle in general formula is, I am writing x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. By comparison, we'll get 2g value is this one, 2f value is this one, c value as 0. Okay. So here I am writing those values. 2g is equal to minus 2c by root over 1 plus m square. And 2f is equal to minus 2mc by root over 1 plus m square. Here we can cancel those values. Similar, 2 get cancelled. Here also 2 will get cancelled. Okay. Next. Here g is equal to minus c by root over 1 plus m square. At the same time, f is equal to minus mc by root over 1 plus m square. Okay, right. So here in general, center is equal to formula minus g comma minus f. Center is equal to formula minus g comma minus f. So here this is formula. Right. So center is minus g comma minus f. So this is also formula, right? Is equal to g value minus c is there. So minus over minus plus c by root over 1 plus m square, comma same minus is there. That will become plus mc by root over 1 plus m square. This is what? Center. So here radius is asking to find. So radius formula r is equal to g square plus f square minus c in root. So this is equal to g value already here we have c square by square root will get cancelled. 1 plus m square plus m square and c square by 1 plus m square. Here constant value is not there. Constant value not there. So that one I am replacing it as 0. So here for these two functions I can take denominator or LCM. So that is 1 plus m square is our LCM. In numerator c square is taken common. Leftover value is 1 plus m square. That should be in root. Now here we can cancel the similar terms. Root 1 plus m square will get cancelled out. So leftover value is c. Root c square is there. So root to c square, that is equal to c. So this is our radius of the given question. Okay. Next question number 3. Question number 3. If x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c is equal to 0. Represent a circle. Represents a circle. Represents a circle with radius 6 units. With radius 6 units. Then find the value of c. Then find the value of c. This is the question, right? So for this question, I am taking solution. So here first we have general formula, right? So formula I am writing. Formula is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So here the given question I am writing in the downside of this. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c is equal to 0. By comparing these two, we are getting 2g is equal to minus 4. Coefficient of x I am comparing here. 2g is equal to minus 4 and 2f is equal to 6 and c value no change, that is as it is. So here g is equal to minus 2, again f is equal to 3. So here in the question he gave radius is 6 units. So here that is nothing but 6 r is equal to 6. But here squaring on both sides, r square is equal to 36. But radius formula in general we have g square plus f square minus c. But root is there, here square is there, that root will be cancelled. So directly I have written here. So that is equal to 6. G value as in minus 2, g square is 4, f value is there in 3, f square is 9, c value as it is. So is equal to 36. Implies, so here changing the positions, 4 plus 9 minus 36 is equal to c. Implies 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 minus 36 is equal to c. Implies c is equal to minus 23. C is equal to minus 23. That is the answer for this question. Okay, right. Now go for next question. Question number 4. Right. The question is like this. If x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 is equal to 0, represents a circle, represents a circle represents a circle, right, represents a circle with center 2, 3, with center 2, 3, find with center 2, 3, find g, f find g, f and its radius. And its radius. Okay. For this question, solution is Right. So here first given question I am writing x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 is equal to 0. So here G center is given. So in general our center formula is minus G comma minus F, that is equal to 2 comma 3 is given. So comparing we are getting G is equal to minus 2 and F is equal to minus 3. By our formula of general equation of the circle, that is C. So here we have C is equal to also minus 12. So radius formula R is equal to G square plus F square minus C in root. So this is equal to G value minus 2, G square 4 plus F value minus 3, F square is 9 and C value minus 12 minus over minus 2 plus. That is equal to 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 12, that is 25. So R is equal to 5. That is the radius of the given circle. Okay. Now next question. Question is like this. If the center of the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is equal to 0 is given by 2 comma 3. Find the values of a comma b and the radius of the circle. And the radius of the circle. This is the question. Look at the question once. So here, if the center of the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is equal to 0 is 2 comma 3. Find the values of a comma b and the radius of the circle. This is the question, right? Here we are taking solution for this. Right. So here first I am taking given equation of the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is equal to 0 and center is given by center in general formula, that is minus G comma minus F, right, is equal to 2 comma 3. So here we can take G comparison. We are getting G is equal to minus 2, F is equal to minus 3, right. So here I am writing general formula x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. By comparison we are getting this is 2g, this is 2f, this is a constant, right. So here by comparison we are getting 2g is equal to a, g is equal to a by 2. Next 2f is equal to b, f is equal to b by 2 and c value is in minus 12. But here g value is minus 2. So here g is equal to minus 2 is equal to a by 2, implies a is equal to minus 4 and f is equal to b by 2 is equal to minus 3, implies b is equal to minus 6. So here formula for radius. So that is r is equal to g square plus f square minus c, right? This is equal to g value minus 2 whole square is 4 plus f value is minus 3 square is 9, c value minus 12 minus over minus, that is plus 12. So this is equal to 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 12, that is 25. Root 25 is nothing but 5. This is the answer for that question. Okay, next question. Question number 6. Right. Look at the question once here. Find the equation of the circle passing through 2 comma minus 1 and having the center at 2 comma 3. Right. For this question, solution. So here general center is given. So center is equal to 2 comma 3 is given. And here a passing point is there. That passing point I am taking it as P x comma y, that is equal to 2 comma minus 1. Here general I am taking center is in h comma k. By the definition of the circle, having a fixed point center and a variable point p, that one can be written as Cp is equals to r. In the sense, squaring on both sides, Cp square is equal to r square. Here r is nothing but distance between these two. So here this implies, so here center 2 comma 3 and 2 comma minus 1, distance between these 2 points. So 2 minus 2 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So 3 plus 1 whole square, that is equals to r square. Implies 2 minus 2 0, 0 square is 0 only, 3 plus 1 4, 4 square. 4 square is equal to r square, implies radius is equals to 4. In the question he is asking equation of the circle. So when center is given, radius is given, equation of the circle in central formula. In central formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So what is the equation of the circle in central formula? That is what? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So here I am substituting here the values. So that is nothing but x minus 2 whole square, h value 2 plus k value 3, y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square. R value is in 4. So r square is 4 square. This is the answer for this question. Okay, right. Now go for the next question, number 7. Right. Look at the question once here. Find the equations of the circle having a line joining points minus 4 comma 3 and 3 comma minus 4 as the diameter points. Okay. For this question, solution. So here we have formula for this diameter. I am writing formula. Let x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are two end points of a diameter of the circle is, the formula is x square plus y square minus x into x1 plus x2 minus y into y1 plus y2 plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. This is the formula of the circle when x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are the end points. Right? Here what is our formula? X square plus y square minus x into x1 plus x2 minus y into y1 plus y2 plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2. So here first point minus 4 comma 3 and second point is what? 3 comma minus 4. So first point I am taking it as x1 comma y1 and second point I am taking it as x2 comma y2. replace in this formula x, y and as it is, no change in x and y. So only instead of x1, x2, y1, y2 only we need to replace here. Okay. So minus x into x1 plus x2, in the sense minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1, minus y into y1 plus y2. So y1 plus y2 is 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is nothing but here y1 plus y2. So that is 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 will give it as minus 1 plus x1 x2, that is minus 12, and y1 y2, that is also minus 12, is equals to 0. So here answer is x square plus y square minus over minus plus x minus over minus plus y minus 12 that is minus 24 is equals to 0. Okay, right. Now go for question number 8. Right. Question number 8. Look at that question. One end of its diameter of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0 is given by 3 comma minus 1. Find the other end of the diameter of the circle. Okay, right. So here for this question solution, first circle is given by, I am writing the given circle, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. So here I am writing general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. I am comparing these two. I am getting 2g value is in minus, 2g value is 2 and g is equal to minus 1. Okay, and 2f is equal to 4, f is equal to 2, and constant is not there, that one we can take it as 0, right? So in general, center, our center formula is minus g comma minus f, that is equal to 1 comma minus 2. So here in general, if you take, this is the equation of the circle and this is the diameter of the circle, if you think. So here this is the center, here this is the center in general. Okay, so here I am taking one end point is capital A, another end point I am taking it as capital B. One point is given as 3 comma minus 1, another point we don't know, that point I am taking it as x1 comma y1, and the center is there, that is C. So here we can apply the formula as in midpoint. So here center C is the midpoint, C is the midpoint of line segment AB bar. So here center already we calculated, that is 1 comma minus 2. So here midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2. In the sense here we can take x1 plus 3 by 2 comma next to y1 minus 1 by 2. y1 minus 1 by 2. Comparing the similar positions on both sides. Right. Here the question number 9. Question number 9 is find the equation of the circle which is concentric with the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 and passing through the point minus 2 comma 14. For this question, a solution is so here concentric circle in the sense having the same center with different radius. Concentric meaning is what? Having the same center with different radius. So here I am taking, let the concentric circle with respect to with respect to the given circle. With respect to the given circle, here given circle I am writing x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 is differ by a constant only. That is nothing but x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. This is equation 1. This is our concentric circle, right? So this one I am taking it as equation 1. So here now equation 1 passes through the given point, that is minus 2 comma 14 is here. Instead of x I need to write minus 2, instead of y I need to write 14. So here equation 1 implies minus 2 whole square plus 14 whole square minus 6 into minus 2 minus 4 into 14 plus k is equal to 0, right? So this implies 2 square is 4, 14 square is nothing but 196, and minus 6 into minus 2, that is plus 12, minus 4 into 14, 14 4s are 56, right? Plus k is equal to 0 implies 4 plus 196 200, 200 plus 12 212, 212 minus 56, that is 156. So here 156 plus k is equal to 0. 156 plus k is equal to 0 implies k is equal to minus 156. K is equal to minus 156. Replace this k value in equation 1. So here equation 1 will become x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 156 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. Okay. So now go for the next question. That is question number 10. Question number 10. Here obtain the parametric equations of the circle x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 8 square. So for this question we are writing solution now. So here we have this circle is there in central formula. The formula is like this: x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is which formula? This formula is called it as central formula of the circle. That is what central formula of the circle. So the given equation I am comparing with our central formula, that is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 8 square. By comparison we are getting h value as in 3 and k value as in 4 and r value as in 8. Okay. Now in the question he is asking parametric equations. So here parametric equations are equations are x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. K plus r sin theta. X is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. So here already h value I have 3. So 3 plus 8 cos theta and k value as in 4 we have 4 plus 8 sine theta. Okay, this is the parametric equations of the given circle. Okay, now go for question number 11. Right, now look at that question number 11. Obtain the parametric equations of the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. For this question I am taking solution now. So here I am writing equation of the circle in general formula first. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is what? Equation of a circle in general form. Equation of a circle in general form. Right? Here we are comparing the given equation with this general form. So here I am writing in the downside x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. By comparing, we are getting that values 2g is equal to minus 6, g is equal to minus 3, and 2f is equal to 4, f is equal to 2, and c is equal to minus 12. Okay, so here center is equal, c is equal to minus g comma minus f, that is equals to 3 comma minus 2, and radius formula r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. So here this is equal to g square, 3 square is 9, f square 4, and c value minus 12, minus over minus, that is plus 12. So that is equals to 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 12 25, root 25 is 5. Right? So formula is h plus r cos theta k plus r sin theta. So that is nothing but x is equal to, I am writing formula h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. So this is equal to h value is there in 3, center is there, we can take it as a h comma k in general. So 3 plus 5 cos theta and y value k value is there in minus 2 plus 5 sin theta. This is the answer for the question. Okay, next the question is like this: obtain the parametric equations of the circle x square plus y square is equals to 4. So solution. So here I am writing x square plus y square is equal to 4. The given question is there in like this, right? So this one I am modifying like x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 square. This is there, or this is in the form of our central formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, y minus k whole square is equal to r square formula. This is which formula? This is central formula of the circle. This is what? Central formula of the circle. So by comparison, here we are getting h value 0 and k value is also 0 and radius is in 2 units. So here parametric equations are x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Here h value 0, so 0 plus 2 cos theta. Here we can write it as this one as in 2 cos theta. Okay, and next is equal to 0 plus 2 sin theta, k value as in 0 here. This can be written as 2 sin theta. This is the parametric equations of the given circle. Okay na? Thank you.